Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to connect Mport View 3 Protonics hub to your mobile phone. Okay, we are normally connecting like this and connecting to C port. Okay, we are connected and I am connecting my Protonics port 1 mic. You can see here this Protonics port 1 mic and it is a USB receiver. I am connecting this thing to this USB port. Connected, and you can see here there is no mouse pointer. You can see here because this thing is massive one and it have 10 ports, so it needs charging to work. Okay, so we are going to connect a charger to this port. You can see here this port. I'm connecting my charger. Okay, charger is connected. Now once again we connect this thing. Okay, now it is showing charger and you can see here mouse pointer is come here. So mouse pointer is working. So I tell you that you can it is not working, you can just flip this connection, it will be work. Okay, otherwise it will be don't work, and you can use VGA port, HDMI and RJ45 LAN cable, and there is two other USB sticks, and there is card reader, and here is audio jack. So S25 Ultra is working with Protonics Mport View 3. Okay, you can see here it's working. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.